Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you know the use of Uber Eats with dietary restrictions. So to use Uber Eats dietary restriction, you just have to follow the steps. So as you can see that mentioned, to Uber Eats with dietary restriction can use the app's allergy-friendly filters or allergy request feature. So you could search for the restaurants that are allergy friendly, and likewise you could add your dietary restriction in a dedicated section. Restaurants will receive a notification and can either reject the request or allow you to adjust your order. You could also opt in to receive calls from customers with allergy related questions. Now in the Uber Eats app itself, allergy requests are highlighted in a red at the top of the order and below the menu items. So restaurants may also communicate delivery guidelines to courier to accommodate dietary restrictions. So that's how you could use your Uber Eats with dietary restriction. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.